As a trader, you must only select and secure the right information about Forex. As you can see here, I have my real account. This is the power of securing the right information about Forex. No need to worry a lot. Look at my trades. All the take profit, they're going to be hit before the end of the day. That's what I expect, and that's what I get, because I only select and secure the right information about Forex. Right now, I want to be as transparent as possible for you to be able to see how I do it. This is not fake. This is happening really. And if you're a trader, you're still facing difficulties in the Forex market, just know that it's only just a phase and it's going to pass. Stick to your lane. Learn, select. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Alright, here we are. Take profit, first one hit. Now we're expecting the second one, as I've said. So right now I'm sitting at a profit of almost 500 GBP, which is pound. So I'm happy with what I have. God bless everybody. Yours truly, Positive Trader.